They always hated me because I'm an Omega.
Hey man, you coming to Moonlight Mating Night Mountain?
Like they'd ever let me in. They'd kick me out first chance just to rub it in my flat-nosed face. But I'm sick of being an outsider. I'll show them. I'll show them all.
How to be a Chad. You gotta pee on others.
Bro, what the fuck?
Step 2, spread your bloodline. Step 3, you dominate the space, let others know. And don't forget, the most important thing, master that how.
The real alphas are the ones that are strong enough to be themselves. They don't let the world dictate who they can and can't be. They embrace who they are on the inside. Amen.
Yeah, right. I'm ready.
Why is he standing on the
Holy chuz, holy chuz.
He's smelly and gross.
Wow.
They thought that I was just an Omega, that I was weak and wimpy. They thought they'd never let me step foot here. But they can't tell this alpha what to do.
What was that? It didn't work. All that hard work for nothing. But I guess I still made it here. Yeah, it doesn't matter what they think. That was me finally accepting myself. Accepting that it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. I won't let others dictate what I can and can't do any longer, just because of what I am.
Hey, that's great, man. I'm really happy for you. But you know, we never not wanted you to come, right? We literally invited you last week.
Wait, what?
Animals like animals. Maybe you think that you